afraid to anymore. He's taking the back seat out of his car to haul more garbage.
As is my right.
Oh, now he comes outside. There he is.
Hi.
Hey, how's it going?
Going good. Sorry, I didn't know you guys were still here.
Yeah, we're trying
Thanks
to
for
figure out
showing up.
what's going on here.
Yeah. Hasn't been good.
You live here? I'm way behind the curve here on the information. So,
Yeah.
you live here
Yeah.
with who? With your
Ashley,
girlfriend?
who was just able to leave.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, they moved the other car out of the way and then promptly moved the second car right into the way.
Oh, okay.
The
And these are
video
the
showed.
landlords.
Yeah.
They own the property.
Yeah.
Okay. And what kind of agreement are we coming
Legal.
to? Where you
A
guys?
legal agreement.
Yeah. I get that.
We follow the lease and the law.
Okay. Yeah.
That was false
what is
imprisonment, man.
what is that?
That was,
What is that
objectively,
agreement
that
about?
meets all the criteria statutorily for false imprisonment. She was unable to leave. She was being blocked physically.
What's the rental agreement at right now? And what's kind of the plan moving forward?
It's Chapter 90.
Just plain speak, I don't know. Chapter 90 means.
Oregon Landlord Tenant Act.
Okay.
Just basically covers like leases in Oregon.
Yeah, I just speak straight to me. Like, are you guys planning on leaving here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we got completely screwed over coming here.
Okay.
We've had nothing but hostility since. We do everything by the book, man.
Okay.
And
what kind of timeline is that?
I have no idea. His lawyer's been like doing some shenanigans now. We can't reach them. We can't reach their lawyer. By law, there's duties that the landlord is supposed to uphold. This all started because our AC went down. There's no windows. There's no fire escapes. I have asthma, and so we made a legit request for the AC to get fixed. And after that, termination notice, which they've agreed since then, was retaliation. Apparently, yeah,
Okay.
it's crazy. Anyway, yeah, and apparently the dispatcher called my girlfriend Marie over the phone, so there's some confusion. I don't know what calls could possibly be coming from them, but this is egregious.
All of this, or what?
Mm-hmm.
What is egregious?
I mean, being unable to leave, being blocked in.
Okay. What all of this is? This like
That's all his shit.
that's all his boat.
Yeah,
His
this is
tractor,
mine. I
his-
got shot at, so
yours.
yeah. Yeah, I stopped paying for my storage unit when they started treating me like crap.
Okay.
Wouldn't tell us what was wrong. We're by the book, man. We got actual disabilities. She has PTSD, and they were keeping her here. Flipped her off 3 times. He knows she has disability. That's messed up. He does own land. That's cool, but we pay rent for the land.
Okay.
We got a legal agreement, and the law is written the way it is to protect all parties contracting.
Yeah.
Wouldn't you agree?
Here's what
I got some stuff. Yeah, it does
Yeah.
look a little bad. Man. Restricting egress is a bigger issue than
I guess I'm
ugly.
just curious because this has been an issue.
Well, yeah. I mean, you guys
Yeah.
didn't have to come out before today.
So what's I'm just trying to figure out what's the solution so it doesn't continue to be an issue.
Some sort of agreement, like an agreement,
Okay.
right?
What would they like to happen?
I have no idea. They have not talked to us since 15 days after we moved in, 6 days after we requested reasonable accommodation.
How long have you lived here?
Since June 20 something.
Okay. Yeah, if I were you,
Yeah, this has
I
been
wouldn't
terrible.
want to leave here in this.
We just sunk all our money into moving here. Gave them a big old deposit.
Where'd you guys come from?
Estacado.
Oh, okay.
So yeah,
But they have a lawyer talking to you guys?
not
Or-
anymore. Yeah, they did.
Well, I haven't talked to them at all, so I don't know.
Fair enough.
I don't
That's
know
cool.
Anything.
Yeah,
Um,
Ashley just said you guys
just-
didn't think that there was any reason for
Just seems like
criminal charges. This was not okay. I mean, I got her on video begging to be let out for an hour straight. He's flipping her off and doing nothing. What purpose is there to not be literally anywhere else that we could get out of here?
Again, I wasn't here for any of that.
Well, it's all
and
on
I
video.
haven't- And I haven't talked
There
to
is
them,
evidence.
So. Okay. Is that recording right now?
It is, yeah. I actually, like I said, I didn't know you were here. I wasn't trying to record our conversation,
Okay.
but I have,
It seemed like the way you set it up, you were.
I was, yeah,
Just-
because I thought they
do-
were
do you know
talking
what
to
the
their
laws
friend.
are on recording
I do. It's,
people
I
without-
believe it's a one-party state with the expectation of privacy within my domicile and
Yeah.
within my rights. But again, I had no intention of recording us. I thought they were talking to their friend and, making observations about my car. I took my back seat out. Like, I have a disability. You're not allowed to discriminate on the basis of disability, on the basis of income. These are laws that are important for a reason.
I don't know
I could
how-
talk good, but
I don't
I
know
got.
how that relates to your back seat. And
Well, I
and
mean,
you don't
she
need-
pointed it out.
You
And,
don't need to tell me about your disabilities. 'Cause it's not my business. and
but I
it's-
got one, dude, and it's very tantamount to this issue. This all happened after
What's your disability?
notifying me. I have severe ADHD and autism and asthma, and she has complex PTSD. But
Are you
that's
in the
not,
Marines?
huh?
Are
No,
you in the Marines?
no, my grandpa,
Oh, okay.
my grandpa.